Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will do another painting with the same color palette with the metallics on a black background, but different technique. In my previous pour I did reverse flower dip. Today I will do a balloon dip at first and then I get a little bit carried away. But I like the final result. I don't know, it's kind of, you will see. It's really interesting final result, not like me, or how can I say? But they are flowers, of course. So I used pearl white first, of course, black for the background. My pouring medium today is again Owatrol Floetrol. And I used antique bronze, and this is red of wine metallic, but it's kind of a reddish copper. You will see the dried results. And this is bronze, and I will add a little more of pearl white and gold on top. I didn't get a lot of lacing. I was expecting a little more. Maybe I will try to add a little something for do it once again and leave it just with the balloon, because I continue with doing some dots and additional flowers. You will see it's an interesting one, and I was enjoying the process a lot with doing those dots. You know, sometimes we just maybe think too much about the final result and we forget how to enjoy in the process. So this painting is one of those that I was really enjoying making it. I will go from there with the balloon and some dots, and as I said, with really good feelings when I did it. So yeah, it was an therapy for me. Hope it will bring some good vibes to you too. So I will let you listen to some music and enjoy the creation. So here she is, the dried result of today's pour. Not completely dry. You can see that there are still some parts that are wet. The flower is still drying from my previous video. I will show it to you tomorrow. I'm quite happy with this painting. I don't know, I thought at first that I overdid it, but now I'm kind of happy with it. It's a weird one, but I don't know why I really love it. So yeah, I was just, playing around with some ideas. This is definitely, probably not everyone's cup of tea. I like it even before, with the black background. You can always paint that black if you think that this is too much, that it should be black, this part. But yeah, it's kind of cutie, isn't it? And the shimmer from those metallics, I love it. I love that there is some reaction from pearl white, not a lot, just a little bit here and there. So yeah, I'm happy with this one. I will continue with this color palette. I already filmed 2 more videos, so I will probably do this, mix colors, do different techniques with the same color palette. This week are those beautiful metallics. So yeah, like it. And it's easy to do. It's just a project that maybe you can do with your grandkids now that it's summertime. So yeah, it's a nice one, I think. Tell me what you think about it, and don't forget to share, like, subscribe. Really helps with algorithms that don't push my videos lately to the audience as they do, so it will be really appreciated. So thanks for being here, and see you again on the next one. Bye!